In front of me is Amazon Fire HD 8 Kids Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this device. First of all, you need to access Utilities folder. Then click on Calendar app. Now you need to pick a date by tapping on the chosen one. If your calendar screen looks different, click on those three dots at the top right corner and select Month. Then pick a date, choose this plus icon at the bottom right corner and tap on OK in the pop-up. Now you can adjust it however you want to. Over here, add a title. Then select starting hour and ending one. If you don't want to do that, you can always disable this feature completely by tapping on this icon next to all day. Now tap on repeats, so RMS click, and tap on one of those options if you want your event to repeat like every year. If you don't, just tap on never. Scroll down, click on Remind Me, and set up notifications minutes, hours, or weeks before your event. Then pick your account, add guest, add location, take some notes and save your event by tapping on this check mark at the top right corner of it. As you can see, mine was successfully added. If you want to edit it, click on it, make your changes, and save them by clicking on the back button. If you wish to get rid of it though, click on it again, but this time select this bin icon at the top right corner and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!